For today's little adventure, we're going to be building the Lego City Barn and Farm Animals set, number 60346. This is a 4+ set, 230 pieces. We know I got this. All of the farm animals. I love farm animals. And of course, they had the separate chicken, but I kind of wish they would have little chickens too. Anyway, okay. So we have 4 minifigures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 animals, including the squirrel. Looks like it's got a little greenhouse in there. Let's see what else we got. Inside, at the back. Got a little tractor pull. Little, I'd say it's more of a hayloft than a barn, but hey. On this side, nope, nothing interesting. All right, guys, let's open it up. And see what we got. So we have 1, 2, so we have 4 bags, plus this bag of extra pieces here. And then we have 4 books. So this is a 4+, they're gonna be doing books by bag. So number 2 is gonna be the sheep shearing area. Number 4 is the greenhouse and the cow washing area. Number 3 is the top part of the barn and the squirrel. And number 1 is the skid loader and the piggies. So we'll go ahead and get started on that. So we have finished putting together the animal and barn for 4+ set. We've got the skid loader here. And we put some carrots and a pumpkin on it. We got the little cute piggies and the piglets. We got the cow and the calf. She's got her brushing and a little cleaning station. We got the little sheep and shearing going on. We got this guy up here with the squirrel on the hay. We got a little greenhouse with carrots and pumpkins. You can see the little sheep. So I think it's a cute little set. I also got it on sale because I refused to pay full price for the set. Anyway, thank you for joining us for today's little adventure. Please join us for our next today's little adventure.